Hey everybody, welcome back to RC World. Today I'm going to be trying to repair this Nitro engine's pull cord because it's having a bit of an issue, and I really need to get the engine off, and this is a quick vid on how to get the engine off. So I'm just going to flip it upside down as best as I can possibly do. Hold on. The engine is mounted right here. I want to try to be as gentle as possible. It's difficult. Now, it should kind of just pull right out. Yep, it will. So I'm going to disconnect the gas line, because that's what you want to do. And I'm actually going to disconnect this. Well, that's probably not going to come off there as easy. Oh, there it went. Alright then. And then I'm just going to pop this. This is going to slide up. Don't push out, because you don't want to break that. It should slide right up. Be real easy with it. And there is our little Nitro engine right there. A tiny little one-stroke, I guess, or something. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if it's most likely a 10cc or 22cc. It's the Redcat Nitro Vortex engine. I don't know how much to rate. I'm just guessing that. But yeah. Yep. And then I'm gonna get the repair of this, and I hope you guys can see me and my father driving both of our cars together, because this is having the pull cord slipping, and of course we had a battery explosion, and it got corrosive acid all over inside of this. But everything else is perfectly fine. Well, the engine, other than the pull cord, we're just hoping that there really isn't a problem with that. But we're just hoping that we can get the pull cord from slipping. We might have to repair the pull cord. And we're hoping to get it running. We're hoping to get a new thing running on here and everything. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.